Hey guys, I'm going to show you the location of the blower motor resistor on a 2001 GMC Yukon. Should be similar on the Tahoes. And this is the rear blower motor assembly. It's directly underneath this panel, which is all on the factory pop clips except for one bolt, and that's located here. And that'll take a 7 mm to remove that, or equivalent. And this is your blower motor resistor. You'll have 1, 2 plugs. Follow the cable up to the motor, and that's where the power goes into it. And so you'll just disconnect this clip, undo those plugs, undo this screw, that screw, and replace it directly. Super simple. 2001 GMC Yukon.